Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discussed regarding the job openings on performance testing. So let us go through the first job opening here. So coming to the first job opening, role would be a performance tester, and the location they are offering for Bangalore and Karnataka location, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 4 to 10 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. So these are all the key responsibilities, like develop and maintain high quality performance test scripts, design, build and maintain efficient, reusable and reliable code, and collaborate with front-end developers and other team members to establish objectives and design more functional, cohesive code bases. And these are all the required skills, like 4 to 10 years of experience in performance testing, deep understanding of SDLC, web API, load testing, strong problem solving skills, and proactive approach to learning. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. And if you have these skills, you can apply through this link, or else you can share your resume to Akub Ali by following him. So coming to the next job opening, role would be a performance testing and engineer architect, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 12 years of experience, and location is remote location they are offering for. Like this is a job description, like minimum 12 plus years of experience in performance testing and engineering, good hands-on experience of performance testing tool like load runner and JMeter, and able to draft performance testing strategy documents and project plan, good knowledge of APM tools like Dynatrace, Have Dynamics, able to troubleshoot and analyze performance issues, and experience of working on multiple protocols like web, SAP, Oracle, SOAP, REST API, etc. So very good communication and client management skills they are expecting from the candidate. And if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes through this mail ID, or else you can follow Jonathan Rai, and you can send your resumes to that person. So coming to the next job opening is performance test engineer, like 4 to 6 years of experience in non-functional testing, primarily on performance and load testing, design, develop and execute performance testing plans and scripts using load runner, JMeter and neoload they are expecting from the candidate, and monitor and analyze system performance using tools such as Perform, Norm, Fiddler and Wireshark, and identify performance bottlenecks and provide recommendations for improvement. So collaborate with development and operations teams to ensure performance testing integrated to the development life cycle, and prepare detailed reports and documentation of non-functional test results and findings. So these are all the key responsibilities they are looking for. If you have these skills, and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes through this link. That is the referral link they have given for, and or else you can send your resumes to Praveen Kumar Singh by following him. So coming to the next job opening is performance test engineer, and it would be a contract and full time. And this is the job overview, like experienced performance test engineer to design, develop, and execute performance testing scripts and scenarios. The ideal candidate will have JMeter, blaze meter, and load runner expertise, and will look very closely with project teams and identify recommended non-functional requirements NFR for performance testing. So these are all the main required skills and responsibilities. So let us go through these skills, like hands-on experience with performance testing tools like JMeter, blazemeter and load runner, strong understanding of performance testing methodologies and NFR methodologies, like NFR requirements, experience in performance monitoring tools like Datadog, Splunk, Mongo Atlas, and knowledge of relational and database ability to perform query optimizations, familiarity with Azure hosted applications and Cucumbers. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to maheshvsbtech.com, or else you can follow him. You can follow him and you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening, total years of experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 years and relevant into performance testing is 4 years. And the work location is Mysore Pune hybrid model and shift timings would be 2 to 11 p.m. and salary they are offering here 9 LPA and notice period is immediate joiner. They're looking for the immediate joiners and skills they are expecting from the candidates are performance engineering role, load runner and JMeter tool as their primary tool and Dynatrace. So this is a job description here, like 5 plus years of experience in performance testing and engineering using load runner, JMeter and monitoring Dynatrace. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can send your resumes through. You can send your resumes by following Lakshmi. So let us go to the next job opening here. So location would be Noida sector 63 and work type would be work from office 5 days and number of years of experience the candidate should have is 4 to 5 years salary as per market standards. So mandatory skills are Selenium, Java, JavaScript and manual testing here. So coming to the job description, design, develop and maintain automated test scripts for functional regression and performance testing and collaborate with development teams and to understand application features requirements to create effective test cases, execute automated test scripts and analyze results to identify defects, work closely with manual testers to integrate automated tests into the testing lifecycle. So ensure test scripts and reliable, maintainable and scalable for future testing. So stay current with the latest test automation trends, tools, and best practices. So these are all the job description. These are all the roles and responsibilities the candidate should have. So if you are interested for the job opening and if you have these skills, you can apply to the job by sending your resumes to that particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opening, role would be a test lead and location is Bangalore. Mode of work is work from office. Uh, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 7 years. And this is the job description here. Work closely with the development teams to understand API specifications and design effective strategies. Develop test cases and test server-side REST API using Postman and prepare test reports, update test strategies or test cases whenever necessary. So these are all the essentials they're expecting from the candidate, like good understanding of manual testing concepts, good understanding of REST API workflows, hands-on experience in API testing using Postman, experience in designing and developing API automation scripts using Postman preferably, experience with working on performance testing using JMeter, and ability to multitask, manage projects, set time frames, and meet deadline, and ability to work as team player in fast-paced and trending environment. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, then send your resumes to this particular person like Pooja.Prakash. So coming to the next job opening, job title would be QA automation with manual web API. Location is Englewood and need face-to-face or final round. Must have skills web automation testing, manual testing, Selenium and Java they are looking for. And this is the job description like a proven experience as a QA in web application projects, guiding tester and interaction with this product owner and good knowledge and hands-on experience using Java programming concepts like hands-on framework creation, improving test frameworks for automation, hands-on experience on GIT, Jira, Jenkins, and TestRail, and experience in performance testing tool like JMeter, working experience in Agile methodology with in script like sprint automation, excellent communication skills and prior experience to work with engineering and biz teams. So these are all the key responsibilities. If you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, then send your resumes to asha@northright.com and or else you can follow her. So that's all for today's topics. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.